Right then, stage one, cut the floor, dig out the footings down to solid ground, and then we've made framework to create an aperture to allow the ramp to sink in to the dimensions which are stipulated by the supplier, and that involves spirit level, obviously, to get everything level. We have a channel ready set in the centre to allow our hydraulics to go around and through to the main control box, and everything else is fairly straightforward. Obviously making sure the frame is level. Next stage is to fill with the concrete and rebar, and from there, once it's set, we can then reposition the ramp, refit it back in the floor. It will then be flush, and we'll make it perfect. Concrete's in, everything's shuttered up, levelled out, all straightforward, bedded nicely, tied in around the edges, and then the cable entry will be through that that section there is for the cable entry, so when that comes out, that'll be there'll be trunking fitted in there, and that will go out to the side of the wall, run along the side of the wall into the control box and back up and running. So far so good. Just let everything set off. Once it's all set, we can then start pulling the wood out and prepping the ground for refitting the ramp back in the floor nice and flush.